Hello automotive enthusiast. 2027 BMW XM label red, Masterclass in high-performance hybrid luxury SUV engineering. What if a 2.7-ton luxury SUV could move like a track weapon? Not fast for its size, but genuinely precise. Like physics doesn't apply anymore. Because here's the reality. Weight kills performance. More mass means slower reactions. More body roll. Less control. And this? This is one of the heaviest performance SUVs ever built. So how does it feel fast? This is the BMW XM label red. 738 horsepower. Hybrid power. And a mission to turn mass into precision. Under the surface. A brutal combination. Twin turbocharged V8. Paired with electric torque. The result? Instant response. With sustained power at higher speeds. It doesn't just launch. It keeps pulling. Relentless. Aggressive. But always controlled. Then comes xDrive. Not just all-wheel drive. Intelligent distribution. Power shifts constantly. Front to rear. Side to side. Adapting to grip, speed, and input. You don't notice it working. You just feel the confidence. Now here's where things get unreal. Active roll stabilization. Because at this weight, body roll should be massive. But it's not. The system actively counters movement, keeping the body flat, stable, composed. This is the moment. Engineering beats physics. Push it through corners, and your expectations break. Turn-in feels sharp. Transitions feel controlled. You don't feel 2.7 tons. You feel precision. Like the weight has been rewritten. Then you step inside. And everything changes. Silence. Luxury. Technology everywhere. This is a high-tech sanctuary. While outside, it behaves like a performance machine. Two extremes in one package. Here's the truth. Performance used to be about being lighter. Now, it's about being smarter. Because when technology evolves, limitations disappear. So, can a 2.7-ton SUV truly handle like a performance car? The BMW XM label red doesn't just try. It proves it. Because the future of performance isn't about fighting physics. It's about mastering it.